Thank you for watching another episode of Stallonis Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. I am Mrs. Stallonis Reviews, and I will be guest reviewing today. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a talk about whether Temu is right for you. A big thank you to all who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 150 subscribers by the end of October. Only 5 more to go. Today we are reviewing the LoZ Mini Freak House, which my husband has been referring to as Drac's House, thanks to its vampire occupant. On the Stallonis Review rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit a 4. The instructions for this build were clear and easy to understand. However, they were also the most frustrating part of it. The instructions were not in a book, but on one huge sheet. That made it very difficult to keep track of where in the instructions I was. The bricks went together really solidly. They're not quite mini bricks, but not full-size bricks either. The size of the bricks left them about as easy to work with as normally sized bricks, and with the same level of detail, but the result is a smaller structure, which is very handy for those of us who are compulsive brick builders. The kit also contained a brick separator sized to the unique sized bricks. I loved the level of detail in this build, as well as the compact nature of the finished product. I was also intrigued by the minifigures. All of the pieces of the minifigures were separate, so they had to be completely assembled. There's also an extra joint in the legs that allows greater flexibility in posing, almost like there are knees. I think I've been pretty clear that the structure of the directions was my least favorite part of the project. Perhaps with a bigger build space, they wouldn't have been a problem, but I don't think there was an easy way to manage them. I'm not sure that a pure beginner could handle this build, but I think it would be good for a builder with only a little experience looking to build something a little more complex. I would build this or a project like this again. It was quick with lots of visual interest and detail. Did you build one of these freak houses? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make one of your own freak houses. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click our link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love building next.
Let's talk about Temu for a minute. I was very skeptical, and their app is like a very nutty game show, but now I'm convinced. When was the last time Amazon gave you money back for the late arrival of your product? Yeah, never. Temu will give you money back if a product shows up late. How much back? I got $13 back on a $145 shipment that arrived 1 day late. They sell the same goods as Amazon for literally a few bucks to double digits worth of discount. Though admittedly, sometimes your goods won't arrive in a box. The app regularly gives you opportunities for discounts and even free merch, but please be careful, it's tricky at times. But once you figure out how to make it work for you, you can save a lot over what you would pay at Amazon, again for the exact same product. So think about it. Click the link in the description if you want to give it a whirl and prepare for the roller coaster ride that is the Temu app.